This is your first year as an Iola Scandinavia cross country runner. How does it feel to be a state qualifier?
It feels pretty special, and I'm glad I went out for the team this year.
And do you have any goals set for yourself for the state meet?
Just do the best that I can.
Good job, Joe. Good job, Joe.
This is your first year as head coach for the Iola Scandinavia cross country team, and you have 4 runners going to state. How do you feel about that?
I feel wonderful about it, but I credit these kids who put in all the hard work all season long. They support each other, and it's not just the 4 runners going to state the way I look at it, it's the whole team from all the support they get from one another.
And what can we expect to see from your runners that are going?
From Joe going as a first year ever cross country runner, that's just amazing. He is a gifted runner, as I've said before, and I expect big things. It's a tough division to run against, but I think he'll do great.
And what about Erica, who's been in state before?
Erica, it'll be a good year. Watching her run has been exciting. She was sick early on in the season, but I think now she's healthy again, so we should see big things from her. And with Layton, it's her senior year. She's been here numerous times. She knows the course, so I see her finally medaling. And Jada, this is her first year going, but she's ready. She's put in a lot of hard work, and I think we'll see good things from her.
You're both making return appearances at state cross country this year. How do you feel about that?
It's pretty exciting. This will be my 4th year going, and I'm really excited to see what will happen my last and final year.
I'm excited, 3rd year, and being able to experience it with Fisher, it's beyond believable.
And any improvements you'll make for that race?
Hopefully I can beat the 13th that I got last year, but I will be happy with whatever place I get.
My goal is to get better timing, under 19, so hopefully in the 18s, and placing as high as I can.
You're a sophomore that's going to be representing Iola Scandinavia at the state cross country meet this year. How do you feel about that?
I'm proud to be representing our school with the other 3 qualifiers, and I can't wait for state.
And any things you're going to work on to improve for that race?
I definitely need to work on my form and breathing.